everybody, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. This is the crockpot cooking series, and the recipe for today is Asian pork tenderloin. Hope you enjoy it. It tastes good over rice, whether that's fried rice or white rice. And you can also use these in tortillas. Because, you know, my husband, he loves a soft tortilla with anything on it. So, hope you enjoy this recipe. And keep on cooking. I'm going to make a rub for my pork tenderloin for the crock pot. I'm going to start out with 2 teaspoons of honey. I'll let that drip off. That was 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of garlic and sriracha. Garlic sriracha. That's a little spicy, so if you don't do spices, you might want to take that one and do half. And then I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Then I'll whisk this together. Then, of course, I have clean hands. I washed my hands before I started. So when I do this, don't freak out. Actually, I've washed them twice since I started. This is a pork loin. I'm going to just take this, and I think it's sticking more to my hands than it is the pork tenderloin, but I'm going to rub it on. Get it nice and coated. Right now, pork's inexpensive at the grocery store, so it's a nice, normally the 1st of January, the pork goes on sale. So it's a nice time to pick it up. But you'll be seeing this video in February, so the prices have probably already went up by now. Okay. I normally leave this set for 2 hours in the refrigerator before I put it in the crock pot. And I think it's just easier to put my crock pot in the refrigerator. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to just put the crock pot in the refrigerator and cover it with the crock pot lid. And that's we'll have to wait. I wait at least an hour, but sometimes 24. Okay, here's our pork back. First of all, since I add a half an onion, and I add 1 jar of sweet and sour sauce. If you don't, you can always find a recipe for this, or I think you can buy it in the store, but mine is home canned. I made it this summer. And then I add 1 cup of water because I like to make sure I have enough juice. I don't like my stuff dried out. This pork is good over rice. This pork, and right before it gets done, I like to add a can of chunked pineapple. And then I let it cook in the crock pot. And right before it gets done, I add my can of chunked pineapple. And then I put it over rice. Or I do fried rice and make it with fried rice. Make sure you plug in your crock pot. And I'm going to turn mine on high because it should have been done. I should have put it on a few hours ago and I didn't.